All right, RC family, we are back at Hemet Model Masters Club, and today we will be taking out the Timber X. It's a beautiful day, so let's just see how we do.
I like the Timber X. It's a 3 and 4S capable, so it's like 2-in-1. So I got her on the 4S today, and I'm going to practice one of my new moves, and we'll see how it goes. Here we go. Right now, we're waiting for one of our fellow pilots right now who is learning how to fly on the Aero Scout, and he's getting ready to come down for his landing. And I'm sorry, it's the Apprentice, not the Aero Scout. Sorry. Doing pretty good for his first or second time in the sky. Look at that.
And here we go. And he's up. Nice, good control. What'd you drop? Careful. Very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Be careful. 13.